My name is Mark Batchelor. I am the Director of Property Services for the Hyde Group. The Hyde Group is a registered provider providing lots of social housing. We have around about 50,000 units which we have customers in a whole range of tenures, but mainly for my area of the business, a lot of it is focused on the general needs customer, and we have about 33,000 repairable units within that portfolio, all of which we're sending people out to on a daily basis. Hyde is trying to bring ourselves into the latest digital generation, and one of the biggest things that we're trying to do is support our customers with that as well, and provide them with a digitally enabled environment so that they can manage their home. We knew Totalmobile solutions from previous lives, previous organisations, so we were really comfortable that it could handle the repairing element of it, but we wanted to find out what else it could do as well. And there was an embedded requirement in there that we wanted as few solutions within the works order management arena as we could possibly have. So at the time we were asking Totalmobile Solutions to have a look at our day-to-day responsive, all of our planned, all of our cyclical maintenance and our asset management. Fortunately, they were able to do it, and hence we're on this journey with them at the moment.
It's really important for us that we've got a system that our customers enjoy to use, so it's digital by choice, and it's making sure that they can easily diagnose repairs, raise those repairs online, and for us to deliver those repairs effectively, and that's been the key for us because it's live reporting. It enables us to take corrective action when we need to make sure we do what we said we'd do, and also to make sure that we're really efficient at what we do, and to make sure that when our operatives go out to do any work, that they're equipped to do that work, so their vans are fully stocked, they've got the tools and the materials they need to actually carry out all that work that day. So it's been a huge benefit for us. We're on a journey, and already it's proving great results, and I think there'll be plenty more to come.
Totalmobile solution provides Hyde with an oversight of everything to do with our servicing. Now for me, we wanted to start using it because all of our different servicing programmes were ran slightly differently and on different systems and contractor systems, and this is going to allow us to have one system that provides oversight on where we are in terms of compliance, and I can then see where we are in any terms of our servicing programme, how compliant we are, what's overdue, what's coming overdue, and I can hold contractors to account as well.
The teams have found it really easy to use. We've had to do very little training because it sort of speaks for itself and answers its own questions, and they've been able to raise repairs easily and see the real-time information. So my team can now access information in real time, which we've never been able to do before. We'd find ourselves waiting until the end of the day or the next day to be able to update a customer on the outcome of a repair. We're now in a position where we can see that within seconds, and that's made a real improvement.
On a day-to-day, when we get our jobs, as soon as we press en route to the customer, to the tenant, it will notify them that we are going, they're the next one along. So I think that's a great benefit because it's stopping them from missing their appointment.
So we've had no problems with Totalmobile being adopted by the field teams. In fact, some of the feedback we got from them straight off the bat was that they were really pleased with the additional information they can see about the customer and the additional information they can see about the job. The office teams love it because of the real-time updates they get. One of our core principles of implementing Totalmobile here at Hyde has been that we use existing team members. We train them up in how to use the system, meaning we don't have to train them in Hyde as an organisation or housing as a business. It's a much easier method for delivery of the product because it's so easy to learn. Working with Totalmobile is great. The academy structure really works well for us. Being supported by the academy guys from Totalmobile supporting our academy team means that we're really able to build and develop the product to exactly what our customers need in a timely manner, which is important to us.
Yes, I would recommend using Totalmobile solutions to anybody within the sector and wider that needs to think about job management and visits to properties or places.